Hollenbeck Division officers responded to a radio call of an intoxicated male at an apartment complex in the 300 block of West Avenue 26.
Henny Hollenbeck Unit 390 Man, 3 West Avenue 26. Suspect male, white, 52 years, blue shirt, inside apartment. Code 5242 RD 412.
Pues, yo no lo aguanto. Acabo de salir del hospital ayer y
¿De qué salió?
De tomadera y ahorita está alterado. Yo no lo puedo resistir, no puedo hacer nada.
Ok, es su hijo, ¿verdad?
Sí, mi hijo, pero yo quiero que me lo lleven al hospital, por favor. Yo lo quiero llevar, pero él no quiere.
Ok. ¿Qué ha hecho?
Yo no sé si él...
En lugar de... ¿Solamente está tomado?
Está tomado, está alterado. Él piensa que alguien le está pegando, alguien dice que su hermano le quiere pegar y que va a tener...
¿Y dónde está su hermano?
Él vive en Covina, hermano de él.
¿Quién está en la casa
Solo
ahorita?
Él y yo.
Ok.
Por favor.
¿Y estaba tomando ahora?
Sí.
Ok. So her son, possibly drunk.
Can you go inside?
Okay,
Maybe he left already, porque yo me salí.
Okay, give me 1 second. Okay.
No, so basically he's been drinking. She says that he was in the hospital yesterday because of drinking, and they released him, and he's still doing the same stuff, but he's having like delusional thoughts, thinking that his brother is trying to hit him, but his brother doesn't even live here, nowhere around him.
Any weapons or anything in the house?
¿Tiene alguna arma o algo?
No tiene nada, no tiene nada, no, pero yo no puedo dormir. Él le agarra esa cosa y grita.
¿Él llamó a la policía también?
También él
Okay, yeah, she said he was calling the police too.
Okay. All right.
Él ya se salió.
¿Cómo se llama él?
El policía.
Edward.
NAPD unit traffic collision unknown at Ventura Valley and Eastern at 5284 RD 437.
Okay, espérame, señora.
Pásale.
Aquí está.
Sí, pásale.
Hey, what's up, Edward? How you doing? Hey, relax, bro. Relax.
Drop whatever you have right now. Drop whatever you have.
Fuck you.
He dropped it.
Man, we get a back up on 459 with a knife.
He dropped it.
What are you doing?
Hey, Edward. Hey, relax, bro. We're not gonna hurt you, man. We're not gonna hurt you. Let me get on your side. You don't want to get on crossfire. Edward. Let me get a taser out.
You have to go to the doctor. No, I don't need to go to the shit. You need to fucking...
Edward, just come out so we can talk to you, man. You're not even in trouble yet.
He says he wants
Okay, you come out here.
Señor, ven para acá.
Come here. No, come here. Come here.
Come here.
Get back here. Move. Don't do it. Don't do it.
He says he wants
Okay, you come out here. You come here. Come here. Come here. No, come here. Come here. Get back here. Move. Don't do it. Don't do it. Put on alcohol. Back up. Don't pick up that knife. Back up. Don't move. Stay on the ground. Good?
Yeah. Okay. Come on.
Yeah.
Do not move, man. I will. Give your hands. Give me your hands.
Give him your hands. You're going to get tased again.
See my hands. Relax, dude.
You all right? Just hold him down.
Okay. I'm good. I'll be good. Relax. I'm good. You dropped them? Come on. Tell you to be good.